And she aged significantly. So she became a very old woman in the time of Umar al-Khattab radiallahu anhu, which suggests that she was elderly when Islam came. So she's in her 60s or 70s in the time of Umar al-Khattab radiallahu ta'ala anhu. And Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu would do his night patrols, right? And Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he says in the morning one day, he says, Wallahi ma sami'tu qira'ata khalati Waraqa al-Bariha. He said, I didn't hear her qira'ah last night. SubhanAllah, like that's how much you could depend upon walking by this woman's home and hearing her recitation of the Quran. That I didn't hear the qira'ah of my aunt, and this was obviously an honorific title that he was giving to her last night. And the Prophet ﷺ used to visit her, Ash-Shahida, and people used to say, let's go visit Ash-Shahida Waraqa, let's go visit the martyr Waraqa. So Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu went to check on her home, and essentially what had happened to Waraqa radiallahu ta'ala anha, this scholar of the Quran, this teacher of the Quran, is that because she was so wealthy, she had a male and female servant that plotted against her and basically martyred her and took all of her wealth. So Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu went to her home and found that she had been killed by two servants who basically stole all of the wealth.